Top stocks in news: Avanti Feeds, APAC Prefab, Lloyds Metals, Fusion Finance, Zaggle Prepaid, Nectar, Filatex and Gulshan Polyols. Stocks including Bharat Electronics, HCL Technologies, UBL, Bharat Dynamics, NMDC, Jain Resource, APAC Prefab, Avanti Feeds and more will be in the spotlight on Thursday, 23rd October. Quarterly results today: Hindustan Unilever, Colgate-Palmolive, India, Laurus Labs, PTC India Financial Services, Tata Teleservices, Maharashtra, Faptech Technologies, Jumbo Bag, Andhra Siemens, Sagar Siemens, South India Paper Mills, and Vardhaman Textiles will announce their earnings for the September 2025 quarter today. Corporate actions today: shares of ICICI Bank, Uniparts India and KSolves India shall trade ex-dividend today. 1. Avanti Feeds. Australia has approved its first import of unpeeled Indian prawns, ending an 8-year ban tied to disease concerns. The move opens a new export market for Indian aquaculture producers, particularly in Andhra Pradesh, providing diversification beyond the US market and supporting higher margins for prawn exporters. 2. APAC Prefab Technologies. The pre-engineering solutions player reported a 104.2% YoY growth in the net profit at 29.5 crore rupees, while the revenue soared 61.9% to 433.9 crore rupees for the 3 months ended on 30th September 2025. EBITDA margins increased to 11.51% for the quarter. 3. Lloyds Metals and Energy. The metal company has completed the acquisition of a 49.99% stake in Triveni Pellets from Adler Industrial Services and Triveni Earth Movers. It also announced the allotment of 19,57,458 equity shares at 1,460 rupees and 50 paise per share, valued at 285.88 crore rupees, on a preferential basis to Adler Industrial Services, a promoter shareholder of Triveni Pellets. 4. Fusion Finance. The IRDAI has issued a certificate of registration to the company to act as a corporate agent, composite, under the Insurance Act. The company will now be able to solicit insurance products to its customers as a corporate agent. 5. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services. The financial services player company has entered into an agreement with Megha City Gas Distribution to provide its Zaggle fleet program for the next 5 years. 6. Nectar Life Sciences. The secured debt, along with the accrued interest owed by Nectar Life Sciences, has been fully repaid and settled with the banks. As a result, the consortium charge on all assets of the company, amounting to 1,338.35 crore rupees, in favor of SBICAP Trustee Company, has been completely satisfied. 7. Filatex India. The textile company has signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with Revati Business and Wasteware Incorporated to establish a multi-facet collaboration focused on textile waste recycling, product innovation, and global co-branding. 8. Gulshan Polyols. The agro-product company has received a contract from oil marketing companies, OMCs, for the supply of 1,75,652 kiloliters of ethanol, having an estimated order value of 1,184.86 crore rupees.